I spoke to a pediatrician here at Sinai Hospital. He says the pediatrics community is very concerned about this change on the CDC's website. He worries that it will cause vaccine skepticism and guilt among families with children who have autism. Taya Dunn Johnson knows all too well how hard it can be to have a child diagnosed with autism. Her 16-year-old son has it.
It's a very confusing diagnosis when a family first receives it.
And she says updates on the CDC's website, which do not rule out a link between autism and vaccines, are causing even more confusion for parents who turn to the Autism Society of Baltimore Chesapeake.
And it starts to make parents second guess themselves, question all their, actions and choices up to this moment. We get tons of, phone calls, emails, and inquiries to our website saying, is this true? What should I do? What should I have done?
Bullet points on the CDC's website now state that vaccines do not cause autism is not an evidence-based claim. But Dr. Scott Krugman, who's a pediatrician at Sinai Hospital in Baltimore, says there have been hundreds of studies for decades on if vaccines cause autism, and there has been no association between the two, and that the CDC's claim is shocking.
It really flies in the face of how science is done.
Dr. Krugman says he has received an increase in questions from parents wondering if they should have their kids vaccinated.
It's been a direct assault. It's been nonstop. We have always had great conversations with families who have questions about vaccines, but those are increasing when there is a specific disinformation campaign to put out false information that this is causing this or that's causing that.
And he worries if more people are skeptical of vaccines, less people will get their children vaccinated and more diseases will start coming back.
It'll take us decades to recover from this. I can't tell you how generally frustrated and dismayed the pediatric community is right now. It's just, we're very tired.
The American Academy of Pediatrics and other medical groups released a statement calling the CDC's website change a false rumor that distracts from urgent, pressing issues in children's health. At Sinai Hospital, I'm Brianna Ross, WBAL TV 11 News.